Hi guys, and welcome to Wheels UK. Today we go Aprilia 660 RS, beautiful bike. We're gonna take this for the spin today and see what the baby can do. It's amazing looking bike, and I think Aprilia do it great for 600cc class. Just look at the attention to the details. It looks absolutely fantastic. All the seats, all the wings. It's great looking bike. So much detail into this bike, and let's see what the baby can do. Let's take it for a ride. Little launch. Should I go left or should I go right? Left, right then. So this is around 10,000 pound mark. I think there is a good price, consider there is nothing really like there on the market. R6 is a more hardcore track machine if you're looking to buy, you know, another sort of type of 600. Let me go here. There's a nice road in here. Just don't want to get lost. Let me go here then. It's very flickable. 99 brake horsepower for streets is enough. I think this will lag on the track. I think MT-09 will be a bit more lively bike, although we got plenty of torque. You got the characteristic of twin engine. Yeah, it feels nice. It feels nice, and it's great, the Aprilia, that 600cc bike, you know. If you want to get into the sport bike game, which there's not many people left because everyone is buying naked, definitely Aprilia RS 660. For long distance you will feel your risk, definitely. Hence why, you know, if you want a long distance bike, more commute, you go for the 210. You feel really high up sitting. The position is really sporty, the angle. This is 99 brake horsepower, 183 kilograms. The seat is actually nice and comfy. Where I need to go now, I think, is straight on, and then right. What annoys me, if you can see here, is the high beam. I keep pressing this with my clumsy fingers. It's nice and nimble. No problem with the gear change. The only problem is when you try to find neutral, it takes a while to find the neutral. The position is really sporty. You really lean forward. I like that you got fuel gauge in here. It shows you how much fuel. That's a big plus. Well, you expect this in 2021. It feels premium, everything feels premium on the bike which you wanted when you spend 10,000 pounds. Although I think it's not too bad, consider, you know, in this bracket you go, well, MT-07 is probably what, 1,500, 2,000 pounds cheaper than this, but then there is, you know, compare the performance, this is more like Street Triple RS or you will say MT-09, but you got all the sport fairings in it, so you can you can do track day, and you got really sporty position. We show you your recent max speed. So look at all the details on the bike. Looks fantastic. You know, you go Brembo disc brakes all around, front and rear. You go different adjustable modes, which I'm gonna show you in a minute. Look at the detail. Everything looks so tidy. The only thing what I don't like is this ugly little pipe sticking out, but I'm sure you're gonna put some aftermarket exhaust. This go Rosso Corso tires. We got the adjustable suspension front and rear. It's really good looking bike. Lots of details. I think it's great. You can see the TFT screen. Be a racer. You can adjust all the modes, commute, dynamic, individual, when you can set up all the setting, how aggressive you want to change the gears. You go cruise control and all the other gadgets. Really good looking bike. The only downshift of this bike, I will say, is the buttons are really close to each other, so by accident you keep pressing the high beam light when you're driving. It's tricky to get in neutral when you're standing still, but that's the characteristic of the engine. Rather than there, the position is really aggressive, so when you can see the lean angle. For a long journey, you're gonna have some sore legs. Really aggressive position, but it's also really nimble. The clip-ons are not so bad because they're not so clip forward. They're more straight up. I think this is a great bike. If you want to start with super sport journey, go and check out the new Aprilia RS 660. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned.